Succeeding on TikTok brings with it a huge responsibility of thousands of DMs, private messages that you need to respond to in order to, first of all, keep yourself with a good name, but also respond to clients who are looking to actually buy from you. So you could be losing a lot of money through your fingers if you're not reusing AI or leveraging AI to respond to your DM. That's where this Chrome extension solves your problem. Let me go into it right now and show you this Chrome extension. So here we are. We have tons and tons and tons of messages from clients, and we want to respond leveraging the power of AI. So as you can see, next to each of these messages, we have a little icon next to each one, which now you can click on. So you can literally click on the message you want the AI to focus on when responding. So if you don't have this extension, you don't have this icon. But basically, as you can see, let's choose the one, how much does your course cost? Now I'm going to click on that right now. And what you're about to see is fantastic. The AI will actually generate two options for you. It creates two options which you can literally just click on and it will send to the client straight away. So here's the quick answer, quick and brief. Our course costs 10,000, includes 25 modules. You could just click that and send. You can also edit this if you wish to, but that's going to be a waste of time. So as you can see, it also has detailed and complete. That's a second option. Hi Daniel, so it knows the user's name. It's found it somewhere in the history. Our course costs this, and it goes into detail. So as you can see, this is probably going to be like sometimes more for personal use, and this one's going to be more for business use. Now, the amazing thing about this, you see the split here? That means that the message is going to be sent in two parts, making it look more human, more natural. Here, let me click on send now and just show you how that looks. So it said, hi Daniel first, and then it's going to send the second response in detail, all organized very, very nicely. Now, how did it know all this information? Very, very easy. If you click on the Chrome extension itself, here it is right here. What you can see here is actually different profiles, which basically means you can create different profiles for different TikTok accounts if you have more than one. But if I go to my course promotion channel and then I actually click on this over here, this icon, and then I click on edit, you can see that there's a prompt here. Let me remove this blur for you so you can actually see it. Here's the information, and you can paste in here all the information you want your AI to know before you actually ever click on a message to respond to. So as you can see, it's going to know all the information just like that. And that's it. That's as simple as it is. That's all you need to know, really. That's it. This is the full explanation of this extension. One thing I didn't mention, by the way, before we complete this video, is that if you click on one of the messages, and then you actually can guide the AI into what to say. You could tell it, the course is sold out this year, sadly. And then you can regenerate with guidance. And now if you click on it, look how quickly it will now, hi Daniel, I'm sorry to inform you that our course is sold out this year. So you can guide it, like even if you make spelling mistakes here, you know what I mean? The AI will fix them for you. And now if you look over here, this is the more detailed one. Let's click send now and see how it looks. Now it's going to type the message. Hi Daniel, and then I regret to inform you that our course is completely sold out. So as you can see, you have full control over this AI responder for TikTok DMs. It's fantastic. Now, if you don't need this, make sure you follow us because we create Chrome extensions that solve problems for business owners especially. We've actually made software that speeds up sharing on WhatsApp, bypassing the 5-person limit. And for Facebook, you can literally share to even 100 groups in one go for those of you who share to groups. And we have many, many business extensions which helps you do business much, much better, much, much more efficiently. So if you're interested, make sure you follow us for more so you never miss how to save time in your business, because remember, time is money. Bye for now.